NASA has recently been in the news for a variety of significant developments showcasing both the agency's commitment to advancing space exploration and the challenges it faces in workforce management. On June 10, 2025, NASA's Astronomy Picture of the day featured a stunning image of Enceladus, one of Saturn's moons. The image captured by the Cassini spacecraft highlights the moon's intriguing tiger stripes that spew ice particles into space, raising questions about the potential for life in the subsurface oceans beneath its icy crust. As noted by astronomers, evidence for complex organic molecules within Enceladus suggests that the moon's hidden oceans might harbor the conditions necessary for life, a tantalizing prospect that underscores the importance of continued exploration in our solar system. Simultaneously, the University of South Florida USF has made headlines with a remarkable achievement in NASA's student launch competition. After nearly a decade of near misses, USF's Society of Aeronautics and Rocketry team successfully launched their model rocket Prometheus to over 4,000 feet while transmitting critical data back to mission control. Team Captain Alvaro Aguilar expressed pride in the collaborative effort, stating, "We needed absolutely every single one of them," emphasizing the diverse skills brought together by students from various engineering disciplines. The team's success not only signifies a milestone for USF, which is set to launch its aerospace engineering program this fall, but also reflects the growing interest and investment in STEM education among younger generations. However, juxtaposed with these achievements, NASA is also facing significant challenges as it navigates a workforce reduction strategy. In a recent announcement, the agency revealed plans to offer voluntary separation incentives to its employees as part of a phased approach to streamline operations and reduce headcount. Acting NASA Administrator Janet Petro explained that these measures are designed to align the workforce with mission priorities while maintaining the agency's technical capabilities. This comes amid a broader effort by the current administration to cut NASA's budget significantly, potentially affecting thousands of jobs in critical projects. The implications of these workforce adjustments are profound. NASA has already seen the closure of its Office of the Chief Scientist and the Office of Technology Policy and Strategy, resulting in the layoff of approximately 20 employees. As the agency looks to the future, it must balance the need for operational efficiency with the preservation of vital expertise and innovation that drives its ambitious missions. Looking forward, the intersection of exploration, education, and workforce management at NASA offers a glimpse into the complex landscape of modern space endeavors. The agency stands at a crossroads, propelled by the excitement of discoveries like those from Enceladus and the remarkable achievements of student teams, while also grappling with the potential fallout of budget cuts and staffing reductions. As these developments unfold, the outcomes will shape not only NASA's future but also the broader narrative of human exploration beyond Earth. The countdown to the highly anticipated Axiom Mission 4X4 continues. The excitement surrounding the latest private astronaut venture to the International Space Station (ISS) is palpable. Originally scheduled for launch on June 10, the mission has faced delays due to inclement weather conditions, pushing the launch from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida to June 11. Axiom Space, a Houston-based company known for its innovative approach to human spaceflight, is spearheading this mission in collaboration with both NASA and SpaceX. This venture marks the fourth crewed flight to the ISS in a series of private missions aimed at conducting scientific research and laying the groundwork for a new commercial space station. The X4 crew represents the very best of international collaboration, dedication, and human potential, remarked Alan Flint, Axiom's chief of mission services, during a pre-launch press briefing. The X4 mission is set to carry 4 astronauts, including Commander Peggy Whitson, a seasoned NASA veteran with a remarkable track record of space exploration. Whitson, who has spent a total of 665 days in orbit across previous missions, now leads this international crew that includes Shubhanshu Shukla from India, Sławoznański Wisniewski from Poland, and Tibor Kapu from Hungary. This mission is particularly significant as it marks the first time in over 40 years that astronauts from these nations will participate in a government-sponsored spaceflight, with each country making its inaugural visit to the ISS. The crew is expected to conduct approximately 60 scientific experiments during their 2-week stay aboard the ISS. The research developed by organizations from around the globe will focus on various fields such as biological sciences, life sciences, material sciences, and Earth observation. Axiom's long-term vision includes establishing a commercial space station that will eventually replace the ISS, which is slated for decommissioning by 2030. The launch of Ax-4 is set to take place from Launch Complex 39A at Kennedy Space Center aboard a new SpaceX Dragon spacecraft propelled into orbit by a Falcon 9 rocket. The spacecraft will autonomously travel to the ISS, where it is expected to dock at the station's Harmony module, allowing for a seamless integration of the international crew. For those eager to follow the mission, live coverage will be available through both SpaceX and Axiom's webcasts, with NASA also joining in at the launch's commencement. Coverage will begin approximately 2 hours before liftoff, offering viewers a front-row seat to this historic moment in space exploration. As the world watches, the Ax-4 mission not only symbolizes a leap in international collaboration in space science but also serves as a stepping stone towards a future where private enterprises play a crucial role in space travel and research. With Axiom's ambitious plans for its own commercial space station, the developments from this mission are likely to shape the future of human presence in low Earth orbit and beyond. As we await the launch, the excitement is not just about the mission at hand but about what lies ahead for humanity's journey into the cosmos. In a significant leap for international collaboration in human space exploration, Axiom Mission 4 Ax-4 is set to launch its crew to the International Space Station ISS, with liftoff now scheduled for Wednesday, June 11, following delays due to inclement weather. This mission signifies not only another milestone for Axiom Space but also marks the first time in over 4 decades that astronauts from India, Poland, and Hungary will participate in a government-sponsored spaceflight. Axiom Space, based in Houston, Texas, has been at the forefront of commercial space exploration, conducting a series of missions to the ISS in partnership with NASA and SpaceX. The Ax-4 mission will see a crew of 4 astronauts embark on a 2-week journey to conduct approximately 60 scientific experiments specifically designed for the microgravity environment of space. These experiments cover a broad range of fields focusing on human health, materials sciences, and Earth observation, showcasing the diverse research opportunities available aboard the ISS. The launch, originally slated for June 10, faced delays as mission operators awaited improved weather conditions. The crew, which includes veteran NASA astronaut Peggy Whitson as commander, is now poised to take off from Launch Complex 39A at NASA's Kennedy Space Center aboard a SpaceX Dragon spacecraft propelled by the Falcon 9 rocket. The Ax-4 crew represents the very best of international collaboration, dedication, and human potential, remarked Alan Flint, Axiom Space's Chief of Mission Services, highlighting the extensive training and preparation that the astronauts have undergone. Whitson, a seasoned space traveler with 3 previous long-duration flights and a record 665 days spent in orbit, is joined by pilot Shubhanshu Shukla of the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, mission specialist Sława Wisniewski from Poland, and mission specialist Tibor Kapu from Hungary. We're thrilled to welcome Peggy Whitson back. This will be her 5th trip to space, said Dana Weigel, NASA's manager of the ISS program, emphasizing her significant contributions to space exploration. The Ax-4 mission is notable not only for its scientific ambitions but also for its historic implications. The participation of astronauts from India, Poland, and Hungary marks a resurgence in human spaceflight representation from these countries, with their last missions dating back over 40 years. This mission is a powerful reminder of what we can achieve when we work together across borders, disciplines, and cultures, Flint stated, underscoring the mission's role in fostering international partnerships. Once docked at the ISS, expected around 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time on June 12, the Ax-4 crew will immerse themselves in ongoing research and activities. Their time on the ISS will contribute to advancements in various scientific fields and support Axiom's long-term goal of constructing a commercial space station that will eventually detach from the ISS upon its scheduled retirement in 2030. As anticipation builds for the Ax-4 launch, viewers at home will have numerous opportunities to watch the event live with coverage from both Axiom Space and NASA starting 2 hours before the liftoff. This mission not only propels Axiom Space further into the realm of human spaceflight but also sets the stage for future endeavors in space commercialization and international cooperation. The Ax-4 mission is a testament to the rapidly evolving landscape of space exploration, where private companies are taking increasingly prominent roles alongside established governmental agencies. As Axiom Space continues to pave the way for future missions, the world watches with eager anticipation for what lies beyond the stars. In a significant stride for space exploration and sustainability, NASA has selected Redwire Corporation to lead a groundbreaking biotechnology research mission aboard the International Space Station (ISS). This initiative, part of the upcoming Axiom Mission 4X4, aims to investigate the potential of microalgae as a sustainable food source for long-duration space missions. This partnership marks a pivotal moment not only for Redwire but for the future of human spaceflight, particularly in the context of missions to the Moon and Mars. The Space Microalgae Experiment, a collaboration between the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO, the International Centre for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology ICEB, and the National Institute of Plant Genome Research NIPGR, will explore how microgravity affects the growth, metabolism, and genetic activity of 3 strains of edible microalgae. Redwire will manage the integration of the mission, ensuring scientific fulfillment and overseeing operations in orbit. John Vellinger, president of InSpace Industries at Redwire, expressed pride in the collaboration, stating, "This multinational biotechnology research effort could have significant implications for future long-duration spaceflight missions to the Moon and Mars." Dr. Shashi Kumar from ICEB echoed this sentiment, highlighting the importance of advancing knowledge in microalgae as a nutritional supplement for astronauts. This work is critical for the future of long-duration spaceflight, he noted, linking the research to India's BioE3 policy, which emphasizes biotechnology for the economy, environment, and employment. Redwire, a leader in the burgeoning space economy, has a rich heritage in microgravity research. The company has previously achieved milestones such as bioprinting human tissues in space and developing systems that facilitate pharmaceutical research and development. With 9 payloads currently aboard the ISS, including the innovative biofabrication facility, Redwire is leveraging its extensive experience to push the boundaries of what is possible in space biotechnology. The Ax-4 mission, set to launch an international crew comprised of astronauts from India, Poland, Hungary, and the United States, is also notable for being the first time these nations will conduct investigations aboard the ISS. This mission not only signifies a step forward in international space collaboration but also underscores the growing importance of private partnerships in space research. As the countdown to the Ax-4 launch continues, preparations are in full swing at NASA's Kennedy Space Center. Veteran astronaut Peggy Whitson will lead the mission alongside first-time spaceflyers including pilot Shubhanshu Shukla from India and mission specialist Slas Uzanansky from Poland and Tibor Kapu from Hungary. Their 2-week stay aboard the ISS will involve diverse research initiatives, including studies on human health and opportunities for space commercialization. Meanwhile, ongoing research aboard the ISS addresses a variety of scientific inquiries. Recent activities included eye examinations to assess the effects of microgravity on astronaut vision and experiments investigating the behavior of proteins in microgravity, which could have implications for understanding neurodegenerative diseases. As Redwire and its partners embark on this exciting mission, the potential impacts of their findings could lead to revolutionary advancements in sustaining human life beyond Earth. With the increasing focus on long-term extraterrestrial habitation, this research not only aims to enhance crew nutrition but also addresses broader challenges associated with human space exploration. Looking ahead, as humanity prepares for more ambitious missions to other celestial bodies, the lessons learned from the space microalgae experiment and collaborations like those between Redwire, NASA, and international partners will be invaluable. the outcomes may pave the way for sustainable living in space, making it a critical element of future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. NASA's latest findings on Mars provide a compelling glimpse into the planet's enigmatic past, offering new insights into how it transitioned from a once warm, water-rich world to the dry, desolate landscape it is today. The agency's MAVEN Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution mission has made a significant breakthrough in understanding the processes that led to the loss of Mars' atmosphere. A development that has profound implications for the planet's habitability and the potential for past life. For billions of years, Mars boasted liquid water on its surface and a climate much more akin to Earth's. However, this once thriving environment has all but disappeared, leaving scientists to ponder the fate of its atmosphere and the water it once held. Recent observations from the MAVEN spacecraft have shed light on this mystery, revealing a process known as sputtering as a key factor in the atmospheric loss. Sputtering, a phenomenon long theorized but never directly observed, occurs when energetic solar particles collide with atmospheric atoms, effectively stripping them away into space. It's like doing a cannonball in a pool, explains Shannon Curry, principal investigator of MAVEN at the University of Colorado Boulder. The cannonball in this case is the heavy ions crashing into the atmosphere really fast and splashing neutral atoms and molecules out. This process has been documented by MAVEN's suite of instruments, which have allowed scientists to create a detailed sputter map of Mars, identifying regions where solar particles have impacted the atmosphere. The findings indicate that sputtering occurs at a rate 4 times faster than previously predicted, particularly during solar storms when the intensity of the solar wind increases. This new understanding not only clarifies how Mars lost its atmosphere but also offers insights into the planet's climatic history and its potential to support life. These results establish sputtering's role in the loss of Mars's atmosphere and in determining the history of water on Mars, Curry notes, emphasizing the importance of this research in understanding the red planet's evolution. In addition to MAVEN's findings, NASA's Mars Odyssey spacecraft recently captured stunning images of the ancient volcano Axiom Mons, providing further context for the planet's geological history. The images taken just before dawn depict the volcano rising above a sea of clouds, showcasing the awe-inspiring landscapes of Mars. "We picked Axiom Mons hoping we would see the summit poke above the early morning clouds. And it didn't disappoint," said Jonathan Hill, a researcher involved in the operations of Odyssey's camera. Axiom Mons is one of the largest volcanoes in the solar system, standing at an impressive 12 miles high, twice the height of Earth's Mauna Loa. These volcanic structures play a vital role in understanding Mars' atmospheric dynamics, especially as they interact with seasonal weather patterns. The presence of water ice clouds around the Tharsis Mountains reveals the ongoing processes that shape the Martian environment, which are crucial for future exploration missions. As scientists delve deeper into Mars' atmospheric history and geology, the implications extend beyond mere curiosity. Understanding the planet's past could inform future human colonization efforts, especially as plans for manned missions to Mars progress. Elon Musk has already proposed a timeline for sending humans to the Martian surface as early as 2029, and details about water availability will be critical for sustaining life. NASA's recent discoveries underscore the fragility of planetary atmospheres and the dynamic processes that govern them. As researchers continue to unravel Mars' secrets, each revelation brings us closer to understanding not only the red planet's past but also its potential for supporting life in the future. With ongoing missions and advancements in technology, the quest to uncover the mysteries of Mars is more vibrant than ever, promising exciting developments in the years to come. On June 10, 2025. The world of astronomy was abuzz with remarkable developments, from stunning celestial imagery to groundbreaking scientific discoveries. As NASA celebrated the 30th anniversary of its Astronomy Picture of the Day, APOD, the daily feature showcased a breathtaking true-color image of Enceladus, Saturn's enigmatic moon. This image, captured by the Cassini spacecraft, highlights the moon's unique surface features, including the so-called tiger stripes that eject ice particles into space. These intriguing cracks at Enceladus' south pole raise tantalizing questions regarding the possibility of life beneath its icy crust, particularly given recent findings of complex organic molecules in the ejected ice grains. The evidence we have suggests that the oceans beneath Enceladus' icy surface could potentially harbor life, said a member of the Cassini imaging team, emphasizing the ongoing mystery surrounding the Moon's geological activity compared to its seemingly dormant neighbor. Mimas. This juxtaposition adds a layer of intrigue as scientists continue to investigate the mechanisms driving such unique geological phenomena on moons of similar size. While discussions about Enceladus captivated astronomy enthusiasts, the day also heralded significant educational initiatives such as the upcoming planting of a moon tree at Idaho State University. This tree, a Douglas fir seedling, is a descendant of seeds that orbited the moon aboard the Artemis mission in 2022. The Idaho Museum of Natural History will oversee its growth, using this opportunity to engage the public in discussions about space exploration and the broader implications of humanity's journey into the cosmos. Robert Gay, the museum's education director, remarked, "This connection to lunar exploration allows us to discuss not only native species but also the impact of space travel on plants and animals." In a twist of fate, NASA also updated its predictions regarding asteroid 2024 YR4, which had once been deemed a potential threat to Earth. As new observations from the James Webb Space Telescope refine its trajectory, the odds of a lunar impact in 2032 increased slightly from 3.8% to 4.3%. However, experts assured that even if it were to collide with the Moon, the event would pose no risk to Earth itself. "A collision with the Moon won't be a cause for concern," noted astronomer Pawan Kumar, highlighting that any debris resulting from such an impact would likely disintegrate upon entering Earth's atmosphere. As the scientific community continues to monitor 2024 YR4, the asteroid serves as a valuable case study for planetary defense strategies. It has provided a real-world scenario for assessing detection and response protocols, showcasing how evolving data can inform public safety measures. 2024 YR4 is a tailor-made asteroid for planetary defense efforts, Kumar explained, underscoring the importance of ongoing vigilance in tracking near-Earth objects. Looking ahead, the astronomical calendar promises a host of exciting events, including the full strawberry moon on June 11, which will grace the night sky along with the Milky Way visible through August. As skywatchers prepare for these celestial spectacles, they will also have the chance to witness significant planetary alignments, including Mars passing close to the star Regulus and the crescent moon alongside Venus. In conclusion, the developments of June 10, 2025 not only celebrate the wonders of space but also reaffirm humanity's commitment to exploring the universe and understanding our place within it. As NASA and other institutions continue to unveil the mysteries of celestial bodies, the journey into the unknown remains ever more thrilling, promising new discoveries that could redefine our understanding of life beyond Earth.